Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. So let's see what is in store today. Today, before I start the cards, I feel the color needs to be blue. Some of you have been feeling a lot of urge to speak up or tell what is inside you, but you're not able to tell it, or you're not able to speak the way you want to speak. So that's a reason where I feel that you should go with the color blue today. So let's see what is in cards today for you. The first is Palace of Cups. So again, emotional, because even if you see the card, I feel a lot of emotions. I said the color blue, and even the card is showing the color blue. So a lot of emotional turmoil is within you. Maybe there's a meeting which is supposed to happen today and you're not understanding how to speak, or maybe something has happened in the recent past 1 or 2 days which has made you, or which you have decided that you need to speak, but then you are worried as to how the person will react or what will be the reaction. So now this is the card which has come. Three of Swords. Now usually Three of Swords is heartbreak, but here if you see Three of Swords, the person is prepared and the person is ready to take up whatever comes. So maybe if you are thinking that when you speak things will go bad or things will go wrong and you will end up losing the person or losing a relationship, then I feel now it is time to open up and speak, because sometimes it's we just hang on to something though we know it is not meant for us, or though we know that it is emotionally draining us, but we still keep hanging on to it. Again, if you still are not able to upfrontly speak or sort of this issue, then what I would suggest is, starting today, for the next 11 days, maybe burn an orange candle every day. You will get clarity as to what has to be done, one thing, and second thing is you will feel the energies that is draining from you will no more have that draining effect, and you will feel, yes, it is good and things are better, and that will make you feel happier from inside. So I would pray for you that you all are able to speak up and talk what you want to talk. Else, orange candle is always there to give you a clarity and make you to come out of these drained energies. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.